Itong Blue Velvet Matte Cushion naman ang iswatch ko sa inyo. At dahil may nagtatanong din kung anong shade ko, ito na po ipapakita ko sa inyo. And I'm also gonna show you guys all the shades para malaman nyo din yung shades ninyo. So, dun muna tayo sa mga pang mapuputing shades. So, if maputi ka, ito ang shades for you. First, we have 00 Porcelain. It is for fair people with cool undertone. Next, we have 01 Vanilla. This is for light people with neutral undertone naman. Lastly, for mapuputing shades, we have here 02 Ivory. This is for light to medium people with neutral undertone. Next naman, we have the shades for medium morenas like me. So, ito guys, this is 03 Petal. Ito yung shade ko sa Skintific sa mga cushion nila. This is for medium people with neutral undertone. I have neutral undertone and I'm a medium morena, so shade match talaga sa akin to. Meron din silang 03A Almond. So, ito naman, medium din siya, but it has warm undertone. At hindi pa ito nagtatapos, guys, because Skintific is very Pinay-friendly. They know their market too well. So, of course, we have shades for medium to deep morenas din. So, here we have 04 Beige. This is for medium to deep moreno with neutral undertone. For deep morenas naman with warm undertone, you guys have this 05 Sand. If mas deep pa sa deep morena ang color mo, Skintific also has 06 Honey. This is for tan with cool undertone naman. O, diba? Girl, halos lahat na ng shades covered nila and Pinay-friendly pa. Kahit maputi ka, morena ka, or deep morena, Skintific got you guys. Now, I'm gonna show you guys the coverage kasi I love Skintific cushion so much and lagi nyo yung nakikita sa mga Get Red With Me videos ko. Lagi ko talaga ginagamit guys is yung gold na cushion kasi yun yung una kong nabuksan. Pero guys, itong blue, maganda rin to. This one naman has a velvet matte finish. Oh. Nakita nyo guys real time kung gaano nyo na-cover yung mga acne marks. So, itong nunal ko, mako-cover na lang din talaga yan. Grabe yung coverage. So, tignan nyo naman yung mga acne scars ko. Guys, nasan na sila? I'm done doing the makeup and this is our final look. Guys, just look at the coverage. Partida wala pang color corrector at concealer yan ha. Pero 90% ng acne scars ko na-cover niya. Watch ko na sa inyo lahat ng shades. Kaya, ano pa? Ano pang gagawin? Grab yours now!